Hello, my name is Ingrid Julia Lopez Morales, tax files pronunciation practice. First point, reading. Reading the following text, try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind rhythm, intonation, and stretch. Teacher process. The process lands on week. The teacher wants similar classes, better money. They often there must be more staff in schools. School science that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. The they say that school spend the money on different things. The second point, minimal pairs, and minimal pairs is a pair of words that vary by only the slang sound. This sound many confused English learners. The pronunciation thing heavy in the variation of the sound. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, rod, Kate, night, take, stick, count, caught, pen, bend, till, bell, dish, fish, they, pay, dig, pig, bill, pill, duck, book, date, bite. Tal, call, tooth, cool, tape, cave, toad, coat, thumb, goat, tie, goat, tap, gop, tool, goal, that, got, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, thumb, hook, dick, big. And the third point is intonation and stress. Reading the following sentences have been in mean the supermental feature. Stain 1-3 strings. Children like to play. The boys is reading a book. The water is going to shine. She wants to she wants to buy a new car. He wore the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you wrote yesterday. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your name? Where do you live? What did you see? Where have you been? Have you read the book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to Ella, please? Can I speak to Michelle, please? I can borrow your dictionary, please? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Do you don't knew do you? They have not. You found it, have they? You were late, were you? I shan't do it, shall I? The omitted truth Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Scan her for help. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's go to the see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? I bought cheese and tomatoes. We need paper, pens and pencils. I can, she is. He will. You shall. I can. I can't. He didn't. Thank you very much.